Hello everyone! In this 9th video, we will continue to explore the benefits of implementing a multi-agent system solution for energy efficiency. Where would you like to start?
Hi. We are interested in understanding the benefits and challenges of implementing a multi-agent solution in our company, particularly considering that we use legacy systems.
Let's try to clarify your doubts. I understand that legacy or old systems are critical to operations, but they also represent a challenge when integrating new technologies. For example, legacy systems often have technological limitations that make it difficult to support modern solutions. However, with strategies such as the use of APIs and the migration of critical data, these problems can be minimized.
How do we ensure that these integrations do not disrupt our operations?
Very good question. I recommend taking a phased approach to integration. This allows you to adjust and troubleshoot without significantly impacting day-to-day operations. Also, training staff is crucial for a smooth transition and a viable learning curve.
Speaking of personnel, how do we ensure that they are prepared for these new tools?
Training and education are key. First, the specific needs of the team must be identified. Then, tailored programs are designed, using methodologies such as simulations or hands-on workshops. This not only improves performance, but also promotes job safety and reduces errors.
Understood. Let's move on to the issue of security, which is a constant concern at our facilities.
Of course, digitalization increases the attack surface for cyber threats, especially in energy networks. To mitigate risks, it is essential to implement comprehensive cybersecurity from sensors to applications. Robust data encryption, continuous monitoring, and regular updates are effective measures to protect infrastructure.
I have read a bit about the NIS2 Directive. How does it impact this?
Excellent observation. NIS2 introduces more stringent requirements for critical sectors such as energy. It requires us to adopt more robust security measures and a clear process for reporting incidents. Complying with this directive not only avoids penalties, but also improves customer and partner confidence.
This implies a significant investment. How do we justify the cost?
Although the initial investment may be high, the long-term benefits are unquestionable. The improvement in operational efficiency, access to real-time information, and the reduction of vulnerabilities generate a tangible return. In addition, by complying with energy regulations such as the CTE and Royal Decree 56/2016, processes are optimized and operating costs are reduced.
I understand. Finally, what do we do to overcome resistance to change?
This is common in any transformation. It is essential to clearly communicate the objectives and benefits of change, involve employees from the beginning, and recognize their input. Committed leadership also inspires confidence and motivates the team. These changes are being made by many companies to be economically viable, given the high level of competition among companies.
It seems that we have a clear plan. Thank you for clarifying these doubts. What would be the next step?
My pleasure. I am here to accompany you in every step of the process. If you have more questions or want to go deeper into any aspect, you can contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navacerrada via LinkedIn. He will guide you through the process and can clarify any other doubts you may have. Thank you for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to be more informed about how artificial intelligence can revolutionize the energy efficiency of companies.